while you go to sleep, then this mask is for you. Of course, not only does it reduce other sounds, but it's extremely comfortable to wear. And especially if you're a side sleeper like me, the speakers are so thin that it's not going to hurt to lay on your side. And check out this beautiful purple color, y'all. This is gorgeous. It's this plush, velvety, soft material, and the inside is also purple, but it's this breathable material. So if you tend to get hot while you are sleeping, you're not going to while wearing this. Another thing is that because the material is both dark on the inside and the outside, it's not going to show stains or dirt easily. But if you do ever want to wash it, of course you can just take out the speakers and just toss it in the washing machine. Another thing about this mask is the nose bridge. This is one of my favorite parts. It's not only really flexible and comfortable, it's this plush material, but it reduces the light, so it's perfect for traveling in the car or on the plane. And then last but not least are the controls. So the controls are now in a triangle design. In previous versions of this mask, the controls were in a straight line. So when you were not looking at it, it was easy to push the wrong button. Now that the controls are in a triangle, it's much easier to select the correct button without looking at it. So now I'm going to show you how to connect your mask to your phone via Bluetooth and also the direct audio cord provided.
To connect your mask to your phone, simply hold down the play button for 3 seconds. The blue and red light will start flashing and it'll say power on. Next, go to your phone, turn on your Bluetooth, and it'll search for the mask. When it says BTD Lab, that is your device. Click the device, and now your mask is connected. Prior to connecting your mask to Bluetooth, you will want to make sure that you've charged the device fully before, and you can do that using the USB provided. Another thing to note is that the device does not support use while charging for safety reasons. To use the direct cord to plug directly to your phone, simply